Today my students made a monster trapper. We used 2 cups, a plastic one and a paper one. We started by making a hole in the top of both cups. I used my hot glue gun to kind of melt the top of the plastic cup to get the hole started. Then we took that plastic cup and we cut it so it had 4 different arms. These are going to be part of our monster trapper / claw machine. So how we make them into those claws is we fold each part back like this. So now it looks like an X, like it kind of has 4 legs. And then we fold another fold, so we make the arm part. So think about it as legs or arms and hands, just like this. So now this is what it looks like. Now we need a straw to act as our handle. And with the straw, we just cut here about 1 inch in, and you take those parts that you cut and you fold them back to make a T, just like this here. And we're going to attach that to our red cup. So we just slide it through the hole like this, and we're going to tape it down right in there. So that's the claw part there. We take the white paper cup, we put it on top, slide the straw right through the hole, and now it's ready to grab our little monsters. Go like this. And it can grab the monsters and release. This is another one that we made, and we actually drew a monster on the outside, which is a great thing for students to do when they get done early.